if I told you you just need 2 ingredients to make this delicious creamy ice cream? Yes, 1 and 2 ingredients. So let me teach you how to make this delicious ice cream. So we'll be making use of whipped cream powder. This powder is easily gotten at any store. If you go to any supermarket or a baking store, you are going to get this whipped cream powder. And then I'm going to measure it out. For this, I'm going to be using 1.5 cup of whipped cream powder. Hope you understand. And then I'm going to get this really cold water. Please, this water is cold. There's even blocks, like ice blocks inside the water, because it's that cold. Your water should be that cold. Then I'm just going to add the cold water. Please do not forget cold water into this. So to 1.5 cup of whipped cream powder, I'll be adding 1.5 cup of cold water. Then I'm just going to get my mixer to mix it. And before I start hearing in the comments, what if I don't have a mixer? What if I don't have a mixer? You can use a whisk. And if you don't have a whisk, you can actually use turning stick. Yes, I've done it before. It's that it's going to take you time, but you are going to still get at this final outcome. I'm literally not joking. But if you have a mixer, you are going to mix this for about 3 minutes. Yes, I started from high to low. So that's how I just did it, to just mix everything together. When you start using probably your whisk or your mixer, please ensure the powder and the water incorporate into each other. That means they should both mix very well before you increase the intensity of your mixture. Do you understand? Like, you should start from low to high so that it's not just going to splatter everywhere. We don't want to waste this ice cream. Do you get what I'm saying? So I'm just going to whisk this till it is stiff. Like, it will not be watery. As you can see in the previous clip, this is becoming thicker. So you're going to mix till it becomes very, very thick. And that's what I want. I want it to be stiff. This is getting stiff. When you get to this stage, that's time for you to add the second ingredient, which is the condensed milk. You can see that I didn't lie when I said it's just 2 ingredients you need for ice cream. Yes, I was not joking. So this condensed milk, I actually made it myself. Yes, I did it at home. I'm going to link the video on how to make condensed milk at home. So you don't even need to buy anything apart from the whipped cream powder. Do you understand? Yeah. So I'm just going to use my mixer to mix it properly. We don't want to see that condensed milk in this ice cream, no. And while you're adding condensed milk, you want it to taste milky and also creamy and also sweet. Can you see this texture? Like, can you see this texture of ice cream? This is what we are saying. You don't need to buy ice cream again at the store. Imagine from just 1.5 cup of whipped cream powder. Look at the amount of ice cream I got. So it's actually even cheaper to make your own ice cream at home. And for me, I would say it's healthier because you can actually control the amount of sugar that is going to be in the ice cream. So you see, it's a plus, it's a gain for you, it's beneficial to you to make your own ice cream. But this will not be ice cream if you don't put it in the freezer. So I'm going to put this into these bowls and then cover it and get ready to put it in the freezer for 6 to 8 hours. You can see I got this bowl and I got this 450 ml. This is 450 ml. That bowl is almost 2 liters, yes, if I'm correct, from just 1.5 cup of whipped cream powder. Would you be trying this recipe at home? I promise you, if you try this recipe at home, you'll come back and come and tell me, Asimi, thank you so much for this. So let's do a taste test of our ice cream. You can see how smooth it's coming together. It's looking like the store-bought ice cream. Yes, it tastes like the store-bought ice cream. It even tastes better. If I do still say myself, it actually tastes better. I'm literally not joking. And this is the 2 liters I also got. I live in Nigeria, so I know how much these 2 liters of ice cream can cost. Now that I'm even looking at the bowl well, I think this is more than 2 liters of ice cream if I actually calculate it well. And these 2 liters of ice cream actually cost like 15,000 naira plus or minus in stores. So this is actually a cheaper way to enjoy ice cream for you and your family at home. I hope you enjoy your ice cream when you make it at home. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also leave your questions in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.